Read Hindi, Little Learning Stars A, Unit 6, Lessons 3 and 4. 7. 7. How many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 apples. There are 7 apples. How many cakes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cupcakes. There are 8 cupcakes. Lunchbox, lunchbox, lunchbox. Sandwich, sandwich, sandwich. Apple, apple, apple. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Water, water, water. Juice, juice, juice. Banana, banana, banana. Great job. Goodbye.